So, hello guys, this is your set 1 for Science Sample Paper 2023-24, and along with I have also given underlined NCRT sections. So here is your first question. The question is given here is the food items like cheese that is shown in the given below image become unfit for eating. This happens due to, as you all know, the answer is rancidity. And what is given in the NCRT? So in the NCRT is given that when fat and oil are oxidized, they become rancid and their smell and taste changes. Okay, so you may highlight this section in your NCRT as well. Now moving to the next question. The next question is we will observe white precipitate in which of the following reactions. So the you may mark the answer. So the answer is barium chloride and sodium sulfate. And you may also see this reaction in the NCRT given such as this is barium chloride and this is sodium sulfate. Now moving to the next question. To protect tooth decay, we are advised to brush our teeth regularly. The nature of the toothpaste commonly used is it is basic. Okay. So why it is basic? It is basic because our teeth or the food that remains in our teeth at the night it is acidic. The bacteria makes it acidic. Okay. So in order to neutralize the acidic effect of the bacteria, we use a toothpaste that is basic in nature. Next, you may also read about this and using toothpaste which are generally basic for cleaning the teeth can neutralize the excess acid, prevent tooth decay. Next question, ethanol reacts with sodium and forms two products. The answer will be, you may mark the answer. The answer is sodium ethoxide and hydrogen. It is also given in this. Okay, so in the NCERT it is given that sodium ethoxide plus hydrogen gas. So you can the property of metal by which it can be drawn into wire. So it is a property of metals. This is from chapter 3, metal non-metal, and the answer is ductility. Next, it is also given the ability of metals to be drawn in thin wires is called ductility. Non-metal do not replace hydrogen from acid. It is because non-metals are acceptors. Non-metals are acceptors of electrons. Next, it is given that non-metals being acceptor of electron, they are electronegative and they do not have any free electrons. A hydrocarbon which can add two molecules of Br2. So for this, you should be given double bond and triple bond, and there will be free bonds available in the compound in this hydrocarbon. Okay, so in C there is available, and in B there is not available, and in A there is available. Okay, so we will go with both A and C. Next, there is also given that what are hydrocarbons? All the compound which contain only carbon and only hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Among these, the saturated are alkanes and the unsaturated, which means those having one or more than double bonds are called alkenes, and those having triple bonds are called alkynes. So this is alkene, alkane, and alkyne. Next, to make all connections airtight in the experiment, we use Vaseline. Next, the branch of biology, आप देख सकते हैं इसका आंसर. This is genetics, nothing but. Binary fission in some organisms occurs in definite orientation in relation to the cell structure. One such organism is your amoeba. Here it is given in SJT as well, that in such organisms such as amoeba, the splitting of the two cells during division can take place in any plane. The genetic composition of an organism is called. So the genetic, it is from the chapter genetics. So the answer will be genotype. Where are proteins first digested in the alimentary canal? So you may have to answer this, and the answer will be stomach. Next, which rule determines the direction of flow of current? So direction of flow of current is only given, there was no there is only right hand rule, Fleming's right hand rule, which shows us the direction of flow of current. You may also check the diagram. So this is your diagram. Okay, this is induced current, the field, magnetic field, and the motion. Okay, so magnetic field is there, movement of conductor, and induced current. If the area of cross section of a resistor is halved, then the resistance becomes, so you may look at like this. If we have a wire of certain area of cross section, okay, then here resistance will be less. But if we have the same wire and less area of cross section, the resistance will be more. So in case we are making the area of cross section halved, which means we are dividing it by 2. Then the resistance will multiply by 2. It is simple. Now next. Okay, so first of all, I think I might have to erase it. The next question, what is Montreal Protocol effective becoming? So it became effective. So first of all, you would have to understand that where this thing was given. So in the Ncert, it is given that the amount of ozone in the atmosphere began to drop sharply in the 1980s. This decrease has been linked to synthetic chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons. So in 1987, the United States all decided that we are not going to be. This was kind of an agreement among countries, okay, that they will not make refrigerators using CFC. Okay, so this protocol was signed in September 1987, but since we are when it was effective, so in the Wikipedia it is given that 1st January 1989. So our answer will be 1st January 1989 or just 1989. I can understand that it was not given in NCERT, but there are some questions that we have to learn from sample paper as well. Question number 16th, again you may answer this. Ozone depletion resulted in more ultraviolet rays or warming of temperature. Okay, next, the blue color of copper starts fading when zinc rod is dipped in. When iron, the answer is simple, both are true and it is the correct explanation. Okay, so it is the correct explanation of A. This is your experiment that was given in NCERT. You may look in NCERT as well. So it is given that this protect a person from diseases. So see, here we are talking about diseases, but here no disease is given. So what happens? It is true, even this is true, but it is not the correct explanation of it. You may also check this. Okay, it is the benefit is it protects you a person from these diseases. Now 19th question, a compass is kept near a wire carrying current get deflected. Electric current is capable of producing magnetic field. So both are true and it is also the correct explanation of it. And you may check the answer in the NCERT as well. In the NCERT it is given that there was a source, there was a magnetic source, and when the current is passed through the source, the magnet get deflected. And when the direction was changed, it deflected in the opposite direction. Okay. Now last question, biotic components require energy. Abiotic are non-living, both are related, so it is also the correct explanation of A. This is given in your NCERT, so you may check it as well. So finally, please tell me about your score. How much did you get from 20? And thanks for watching. Share if you like, do subscribe and do like. Thank you.